Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So buying an S&P 500 investment on Acorns is a little different from traditional brokerage apps. Acorns is designed as an automated investing platform that uses diversified ETF portfolios, many of which include exposure to the S&P 500. Acorns also offers custom portfolios that allows eligible users to have specific ETFs directly to their investments. So in this guide, I'll show you step by step how to buy S&P 500 on Acorns in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, open an Acorns account. Like if you don't already have an account, create an Acorns Invest account, like complete identity verification, personal information, account setup. So once approved, you will gain access to Acorns investing platform. So an Acorns Invest account is required before investing. Okay, so then link your bank account. Like before investing, connect your bank account. Like this allows you to transfer funds, set up recurring investment. So fund your account, like connect your bank account, transfer money into Acorns. You can make a one-time deposit or set up recurring investment. Okay, so as you can see from here, from these examples here. Okay, so you have here link your bank. Okay, then you have this deposit or withdraw. So and after that you have this set a recurring deposit, and that's it, guys. So as you can see here in these pictures, choose your portfolio. Okay, so as you can see here, choose your portfolio. Acorns offers several portfolio options: like conservative, moderately conservative, moderate, like aggressive. The more aggressive portfolios generally have greater exposure to large US stocks. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.